Hello everyone, my name is Liang Zhao. I'm the Molecular Spectroscopy Product Coordinator at Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. In this video, I will show you how to use the mapping software to carry out IR or Raman Spectra of microscopic samples with the AirSight microscope.
The mapping module is an important option for the AMsolution software that is used for instrument control and data analysis of the Shimadzu FTIR or Raman microscope. With the mapping module, measurement can be carried out in the area, line, or random mode. Even non-invasive depth profiling is possible using Raman microscopy. This video demonstrates some typical software operations. For more details on the complete functionality of the software, please refer to the instruction manual. Before you begin IR measurement, pour liquid nitrogen into the dewar to prepare for the superlattice detector. Switch on the FTIR bench and the AirSight microscope. Launch the measurement program by double-clicking the AMsolution measurement icon. In the measurement parameter area, click the Disconnect button to initialize the microscope. If initialization is successful, the Disconnect tab will change to Ready. Set the sample on the sample stage. Instrumental controls are all done within the software. In the parameter area, select the measurement mode. In this demonstration, we're measuring with the reflection mode. Make sure Wide Field Camera is selected from the objective list. The Wide Field Camera enables users to get an overview of samples on the macroscopic scale. Use the buttons in the microscopic area to manipulate the stage until the desired measurement location is observed and image is in focus. You may click Photograph one image to capture the wide field picture. Select 15 times reflection objective mirror from the objective list. Use the Z-axis buttons to bring the image into focus. Double-clicking on any location will set that location as the center of the microscopic area. Click Tiling Image Acquisition in the parameter area, then drag out the area for image acquisition in the tile area. The expected number of images acquired and expected time for acquiring images is displayed to the right of the selection. Click Run to start acquiring images for tiling. Under BKG Registration, select the background mode. Click Registration, then specify the background position in the tile area. In reflectance mode, background location is usually a clean position next to the sample area or on a metallic mirror placed along the sample for background purpose. When specifying the background location, please always make sure the location is in focus. Under Register Measurement Points, make sure Area is selected. Then specify the aperture size to use for measurement. Select the step type Tile Images Taken through Aperture. Click Registration, then drag out a rectangular area to perform mapping measurement in the tile area. In the parameter area, set measurement parameters such as resolution, number of scans, measurement mode, and spectral range. Then specify a file name for the experiment and a location for the file in the storage destination area. Click Sample Scan button to start data acquisition. Background measurement starts, then the registered sample positions will be measured. After acquisition, data will be automatically transferred to the AMsolution analysis program for further treatment. To learn more about Shimadzu FTIR or Raman microscopes, visit us at www.ssi.shimadzu.com. To see more how-to videos on many different topics, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.